Hey there, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Well, I thank you for being here and joining me on this Sunday, as all Sundays. I am going to cut it a little bit short. You're going to hear very soon. I have caught a respiratory infection, and it sounds awful. It sounds so bad. But don't worry, it's actually not. They've already done like all the x-rays and used all the science to take a peekaboo, and I have nothing in my lungs. They actually look beautiful. It was nice because there was some of the cancer had disappeared from the radiation. Pew, pew. So I just want to keep this short because I'm going to lose my breath. I just wanted to pop in and let you know that I did talk with my doctor this week. The radiologist who is going to zap my head. I love this man. I have been working with him for 2 years. You always hear me say it's so important to have doctors that you can partner with and that you feel validated by. And if you don't feel that, I encourage you to get up and leave and find another one, because I demand it. And this dude, I don't have to demand anything from him. He's just been fantastic. I reached out to him and he was like, I explained to him, once again, I am not looking for a cure. I'm looking for today. I'm looking for tomorrow. I'm trying to stretch it as far as I can. And right now, my primary goal, if I have any choice in any of this, is I just want to get this body to late spring, early summer, before we have to admit that the treatment's not working and I just have to learn how to be still. I want to get this body to the summer. And my doc said, yeah, I got you, Nicole. We will beat it back together. Yeah, we'll beat it back together. That's right, doc. So, yes, I'm going to radiate my head again. No conversation this time with myself about it. The first time that the cancer moved to my head, we went through the emotions and the fear of, oh my God, what if I lose my mind? Which, I kind of have a little bit, and it's okay. And I've lost my memory a little bit, and it's okay. I haven't lost any functionality. I'm doing great. And so I'm going to try it one more time. Again, I'm just trying to get this body to summer. So I'm going for it. And then I'm going to continue walking in the door for the chemo if my body will have it. I worry that conversation's going to be shorter than I want because my platelets were quite the issue this week. But I still got chemo, so that's all that matters. Otherwise, I've got so many wonderful friends and chosen family that are celebrating so much right now. I love it. I mean, we just keep getting all these lovely food drop-offs at the door, and my wife and I are going through, our Christmas holiday music or movies. It's movie time for us. And I'm sculpting and just doing art and grateful to be here. One more holiday. You know that there's part of me that wants to get to summer because I have some weird, strange ego thing about I made it 5 years. Right. Oh, ragtag made it 5 years. This is amazing. This is amazing. Well, thank you for being part of it. It's been, I think all of the things that we want about life, right? All the sharpness and the darkness and the all of it has been here this year. I'll see you, I feel like next Sunday is New Year's Eve, maybe. I bought tickets to, oh, come on, brain. It's the green guy, the Grinch, Who Stole Christmas, the musical, for New Year's Eve day. So that's what I will be doing on New Year's Eve day. I will still show up for our coffee chat either way, because it's Sunday, right? All right, see you next Sunday.